What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? Today we're talking about a car that takes tradition, throws it in a blender, and hits turbo. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG SL63, souped up by BRABUS. If you think Roadsters are gentle cruisers, this one's here to prove you wrong, with a loud exhaust note and a big ol' sideways grin. Under the hood. Let's talk power, because SL63 isn't here to sip coffee, it's here to inhale everything in front of it. The base Mercedes-AMG SL63 already rocks a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but when BRABUS gets involved, everything escalates. We're talking a massaged V8 pushing 800-plus horsepower, depending on the BRABUS tune, and torque figures that make ordinary math useless. This thing launches you down the road so fast, you'll think gravity is just a suggestion. 0 to 60 in the low 2-second range? Maybe. Real-world stomp on the throttle? 3-second zone. Easy. This is no slow Sunday cruiser. This is world's fastest traffic jam energy. BRABUS upgrades usually include performance exhaust systems, strengthened internals, and optimized turbo maps, meaning this Roadster doesn't just go fast, it does it with a BMW M killer attitude. The SL63 by AMG was already known for that buttery smooth power delivery and sharp steering. But add BRABUS and the suspension gets tighter, the throttle gets snappier, and the whole car feels like it's diagnosed you as weak and is actively judging you. Adaptive dampers keep the ride smooth enough for cruising down the coast, but when you hit
the switch? Oh boy, this thing bites. Slalom tests, canyon runs, yeah, it can handle business. But it's equally comfortable cruising through town with the roof down, music up, and everyone staring. And let's talk brakes. Huge rotors and upgraded calipers that can snatch speed back like they're pulling an X off your Instagram story. You ask it to stop, it obliterates inertia. Slide into the cockpit, and boom! It's like Mercedes and BRABUS had a love child raised by Rolls-Royce. Soft leather? Check. Alcantara? Double check. Carbon fiber trim that says, yeah, you're serious? Absolutely. They went full premium, with stitches so crisp you could frame them. Seats hug you like sit still, I got you, but they're comfy enough that long trips don't turn into chiropractor bills. The driver's cockpit feels tech-forward without being confusing. Big digital cluster, widescreen display, all the assist tech you expect from Mercedes-Benz. And let's be honest, the roof-down moment in this thing is peak American summer vibe. Top down, wind in your face, 800-plus horses just waiting to go berserk. That's what people dream about. BRABUS exhaust systems are chef's kiss for anyone who cares about acoustics. Idle it and it growls like it just got told it couldn't park in the Ferrari section. Rev it and it screams like your playlist on 11. This isn't engineered noise, it's fully emotional sound design that wraps around your soul and chugs espresso. Pros? Insane performance. Brutal power delivery. Luxurious interior with sporty attitude. Roof-down freedom plus summer cruiser mode. BRABUS upgrades equals cult-level exclusivity. Head-turning presence. Cons. Fuel bills lean toward heck no. Insurance and maintenance don't understand budgets. Big power means big tire wear. Not the deepest trunk space. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG SL63 by BRABUS isn't a car, it's a statement. It says, I love luxury, I love speed, and if you disagree, watch this launch. This is for the enthusiast who doesn't just want performance, they want presence. Not just a weekend toy, a weekend weapon. It's powerful, flashy, loud, and honestly, a little unapologetic. Car Rev 3 fam, if this beast pulled up next to you on the street, would you hop in for a ride? Comment your first drag test move. Smash that like, subscribe. Car Rev 3 is bringing real cars and real talk daily.